p53 control progression or regulation through cell cycle, apoptosis and genome stability through several different mechanisms. When DNA is constantly damaged, p53 activates DNA repair proteins. It can be an important factor in aging. When DNA damage is detected, it can pause the cell cycle at the G1S checkpoint. At this point, if enough time is waited, DNA repair protein will be able to fix the damage, and when the damage is removed, cell cycle arrests and continue. If DNA damage is beyond repair, it can initiate the apoptosis. When DNA damage is present before the entry into S phase, p53 halts the cell cycle at the G1 phase in parts by transcriptionally inducing the cycling-dependent kinase inhibitor SDK9 1A, also known as p21. p21 binds to the G1S CDK phase complex, CDK4, 6, 2, or 1. All of them important in the transition from the G1S in the cell cycle and inhibits its activity. When p21 combines with the CDK2, the cell cannot transition to the next cell cycling stage. p53 with an mutation cannot bind to DNA effectively, so the p21 protein can no longer be used as a stop signal. Thank you for listening.